This is a fresh update from our CoinMarketCap news. Bitcoin nears $60,000 after dramatic 7% plunge. So live on CoinMarketCap's blog. Article by Connor Sefton. We'll be reviewing this article. So guys, if it is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe. You will find our updates helpful, beneficial. And you want to stay tuned to get our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers, because we'll be giving out giveaways to all our subscribers. So you want to be part of the family. So charts for everything. It said Bitcoin came perilously close to falling below $60,000 on Tuesday after plunging by more than 7% in 24 hours. So the dramatic fall, which had been predicted by some analysts, cast fresh doubt on claims that BTC can hit $98,000 by the end of November. So guys, you want to let us know what you feel about uh this price prediction for BTC. You can drop your price prediction in the comment section box below. But meanwhile, we have Ether has fared even worse over the same time frame, down 8.2%, with both cryptocurrencies shedding 10% of their value over the past week. So prior to the plunge, crypto trader and economist Michael Van de Pope had warned Bitcoin's weekly doesn't look too great, and daily doesn't either. So others, such as technical analyst Justin Bennett, believe the bull market will probably last 6 to 12 months, longer than most people expect. So he argued that any prospect of BTC peaking in December and January diminishes as the cryptocurrency continues to trade sideways, and for this narrative to hold, prices of $80,000 to $90,000 would need to be seen within the next 2 weeks. So Bennett added, barring a massive fundamental catalyst, I don't see what happening. So Bennett stressed that lots of support remains around the $60,000 zone for now, but it will take more capital and time to push prices higher. So he thinks that the peak in this current cycle will be between $207,000 to and $270,000. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here, which you can check up on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So charts for everything. So here's the problem with navigating the choppy waters for crypto Twitter. There will always be one chart or another that can be used to suggest the current climate is extremely bullish, no matter how challenging things are. So nonetheless, there does still seem to be a belief that Bitcoin's prospects remain healthy. So even if prices fall a little further, Fiji head of Asia Pacific at the Luno Crypto Exchange, to CNBC, I think we are seeing an healthy pullback after a 7-week rally from $40,000 to $69,000. So which is normal in an upward trend. So despite all of this assurance that Bitcoin's best days are yet to come, bulls face a nervous wait to see whether new all-time highs will be forthcoming. So guys, that's it for CoinMarketCap's news today. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. Let us know what you feel, and peace out, guys.